Okay, you guys, I'm pulling up to a Walmart for treasure hunting for some Hot Wheels today in the beginning of the week. It's hard to get trading cards, but I also collect Hot Wheels. See if I can find any treasure hunts or super treasure hunts. I haven't found any yet, so let's see what we can find inside. Let me go find a parking spot and then I'll find one so you can get inside. Alright, you guys, I was looking for my first treasure hunt for Hot Wheels. And as you can tell, empty shelves. But I did find treasure hunt monster truck. Boom, just like that. Get the symbol right there. Treasure hunt found. First one, you guys. Pretty sick.